patient, welcome to my creation. Working with patient, I'm another dimension. I'm in your dreams because I am your obsession.
Cops, cops.
This is my patient, welcome to my creation. Working with patient, I'm another dimension.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be working on another single cab all the way from Greeley, Colorado. This will be the third truck, I believe, the fourth truck that I believe that I'll be doing from out there. Just a regular used sunroof, no bodywork, no painted roof, just bodywork, primer on top. And they should be in here soon. They did trailer it in, so we'll get some footage of it when it rolls in. Stay tuned. Alright guys, we got the headliner wrapped. It's ready to go. Cut out for the sunroof. Bodywork's done on top. Primer. Looking good. Sunroof's in. We're gonna put the headliner in, start cutting it out, start installing back the pillars. We'll start putting everything back on so everything looks 100%. We'll open up the sunroof. It's already wired up. We'll cut out the hole for the sunroof button, clean it up. Should be ready to roll. Alright guys, we're done with the install. Everything came out 100%. We installed everything, wired up. I'm giving it a quick foam bath. Came in really dirty, so kind of like, sometimes I like to wash them up, clean them up. Just a little extra for the customer. Just an appreciation for it. But let's check it out. Alright guys, she's off back to Colorado. Another one done at Rob's Customs. What's up guys, we back again with another one. Saturday we got done with the one from Greeley, Colorado. Trailered it in, trailered it out, got the sunroof installed. We got another one today, it's Sunday morning. They're just dropping it off now. Another trailered in from Roswell. Let's get some video. Alright guys, here's the truck. Another cat eyes in for a sunroof. Primer roof on top, and then we'll go ahead and black everything out. We're gonna have to lose that console. This thing's clean. I want to end up selling my OBS. I want to go ahead and sell it. Find me a clean cat eyes so I can boost. That's gonna be my next thing. And I'll see if I can finish the rest of it. Put it up for sale. Anybody knows, anybody with the clean cat eyes. Alright guys, you guys know the drill. Start by taking the headliner off, visors, everything. Alright guys, we got the sunroof installed. Went ahead and did the headliner, wrapped it in black. I'm gonna go ahead and install the headliner now. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put the plastics on, paint the plastic still. Here's the headliner wrapped. Bodywork's done. Ready for the headliner. Alright guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, truck is done. Let's check it out. weekend, busy weekend. 2 trucks out of town from Colorado and Roswell, New Mexico. Stay tuned, we got a lot more videos coming. Tying windows, more sunroofs, airbags. We got a lot coming, so if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel. Keep track of all the stuff that comes out of the Rob's Customs. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.